Let's talk about how you can actually profit from chaos, especially in a highly volatile market like the crypto space, right? So how to trade crypto derivatives during those high volatility periods. So we want to master implied volatility, market reactions, and also the trading tools in the derivatives arena for us to be able to profit as traders. If you like the kind of content on the channel, make sure you give us a like, share the content, and best of all, check out the links in the description so that you're always trading on the best cryptocurrency exchanges, etc. So what is volatility in crypto? Let's talk about it, right? So volatility is the heart of crypto trading. It does refer to kind of how drastically the price of cryptocurrency moves over time. In traditional markets, volatility is often seen as a risk. In crypto, it's actually the opportunity factory, because those price swings of say 10 to 20% a day are not uncommon, and that's where sharp traders find their alpha. So some of the key features of crypto volatility include 24/7 markets with no downtime, right? That means anything can happen in any moment and the markets can move because they don't sleep. So they are influenced by news and also whales, who are these big crypto holders, and also liquidations, right? So global market with fragmented liquidity and also sentiment and speculation more than fundamentals sometimes, right? So these are things you have to be aware of, and why high opportunity and high implied volatility are pretty much synonymous here, because implied volatility represents the market's expectations for future price movements. In the options world, high implied volatility typically leads to higher option premiums. When implied volatility is high, right, this is when you see options become more expensive, which is great for sellers. Perps funding rates also spike, and volatility breakout traders sharpen their tools to take advantage of the opportunities. And there are these opportunity zones where after a major market news, like an ETF approval, a hack, for example, you know what I mean? Those are great opportunities to long or short during funding rate divergence on perps, as well as leading into major expirations or unlocks. Volatility doesn't just signal chaos, it does signify liquidity, attention, and opportunity as well. So trading volatility, options versus perps, right? Options are best for betting on magnitude of moves and not actually direction. So implied volatility crash happens when that IV falls post event, crushing premium value, and it's great for structured strategies like straddles or strangles, right? So platforms you can do this on, Deribit, for example, Polynomial. These are great perp options platforms that you can actually use. And then when you're looking at perpetuals, right, you're looking at an ideal quick directional trade during those spikes. Low latency platforms that offer tight spreads, and also great for breakout and mean reversion, right? So if you want to have those kind of setups, you can use platforms like Bybit or Bitunix or Binance. And you have tools to trade volatility as well, and do it like a pro, right? So there are essential indicators and dashboards that every volatility focused trader should definitely bookmark. Things like the 𝗶𝗏𝗏, that's the volatility index. You can gauge market-wide fear, or platforms for that include Bybit, the Fear and Greed Index, sentiment snapshots. There you can use 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, and implied volatility charts, options pricing signals. You can use Polynomial, Deribit, and you've got funding rate trackers, which kind of used for trend exhaustion alerts, for example. And you can use Blofin or CoinGlass for these. So some of the best exchanges for high volatility conditions: Blofin, check out the link in the description. It's an ultra fast matching execution speed. It's got an insurance fund, it's got competitive fees, and then you got Bitunix, which has real-time depth ADL protection as well, lower kind of taker fees, okay? Link to Bitunix is also in the description. And then you got Binance for global liquidity, circuit breakers, customizable margin as well. So managing your risk during volatility storms is really, really important. So you need to use tight stop losses, especially at high leverage, scaling into your position slowly, avoiding full size entries, and then just hedging your perp positions with options, okay? And then monitoring your funding rates. And, you know, these actually do reflect the direction of the crowd as well. So there are many strategy cheat sheets out there for volatility breakouts or mean reversion, for example. The setup could be, for example, for volatility breakout, price consolidation at range, a top or bottom. The signal could be volume spikes or breakouts. You can use tools on Bybit or xt.com. In reversion, you got overextended weak moves, right? So you've got RSI divergence, cooling volume as well. On Blofin, it's really good for that. Polynomial as well. Volatility definitely is the playground for professional traders when the market panics. And it's not the loudest that actually win, it's the ones that have the plan. And whether you're trading straddles on Deribit or scalping perps on xt.com or watching implied volatility curves on Polynomial, volatility is definitely an alpha. So make sure you guys tap in with us at Decentralized. Don't use, go to the main website. The link is in the description. You can find the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplace, places, all things crypto. Go check out my book, DeFi Millionaire, at 𝗑𝗲-millionaire.com. Link is also down in the description. Learn about liquidity mining, provisioning, trading on DEXs, and staking, and all that good DeFi stuff, so you can get that real yield. It's a free download, 𝗑𝗲-millionaire.com. If you like Web3 betting markets, that's non-custodial betting without a bookie or middleman, all on chain. My favorite platform is smart contract bets.xyz. You can access the best liquid markets in the sports betting world, cricket, tennis, basketball, football, even esports, right? And you can do it without worrying about handing your funds over to anyone or getting banned or KYC or all of this, you know, things that just really make betting in the Web2 world a little bit cumbersome. Smart contract bets.xyz. That's smart contract bets.xyz. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Tell me what you think about how you guys like to deal with volatility in the crypto space in the comments down below. Peace.